I'm trying something a little bit different today. This company Orange Mud hit me up to see if I wanted to try one of their utility packs, and I thought, yeah, that sounds awesome. It's essentially a trail running, mountain biking sort of mini pack thing. What I thought would be interesting about it is to take everything off of the bike except for the saddlebag and the frame pump and put everything in the backpack. And the main reason I was curious for this was for filming, to have everything at the ready. Water is inside this thing. I've stuffed all my food in the bag. And also I was curious because it sits above the back pockets of your jersey, so it doesn't really get in the way of anything. It's definitely carrying weight. This thing holds 2,000 milliliters, which is around 64 ounces. That's a lot of water. Today's gonna be kind of a big day, so I'm totally curious to see if I'll burn through all this water or not. I wonder if I should bring a filter. So the first real test on this thing is today. What could possibly go wrong? Just to let you know, I'm not necessarily converting, I'm just trying something different. I love experimenting with all the gear on the bike and the different ways that you can work it. This totally falls in line with that philosophy.
Oh, the man at judo. Oh, the man won't let me go. Oh, run as fast as you can. Oh, the police is holding me hand. When you get home, you get in bed. Call the doctor and tie your head.
This ride is an interesting one. It's essentially a solo ride to a group ride to a solo ride. I gotta ride out to North Plains. There's a small group of people that are gonna do a fairly small loop out there. And I thought it sounded kind of fun, something different, and a way to get some good miles in before the rain really hits. So, here we go.
Oh, the man at judo. Oh, the man won't let me go.
Real interesting thing about this area around December is it gets crazy busy with people coming out to get Christmas trees. It totally sucks on some of the gravel roads. It's pretty dangerous actually. The more you know. They grow weed in that greenhouse. Hey Earl. Oh yeah? Tell me about your bike. Oh, this? My Stinner Refugio. It is made out of titanium, custom painted by Dklein himself, carbon fiber envy fork. We got Stiller Killer Jones carbon painted wheels, best in the business, cherry apple red, Christopher King, hubs, bottom bracket, and best of all, headset. We got a Hemi F-150 in the back, Hydro Force 1 disc brake, 2x-something drivetrain, payload of about 3,500 pounds, Ritchie cockpit, seat post, bottle cage and what have yous, Celiatalia, SLR Superflow under the tuchus. Not to mention the spur sickle. It has sustain. What kind of tires you running? Vittoria Torinos. The size is 40. They're a good mix and match. Pave and gravel all around her. Is there anything she can't do?
I need that to stand me bail. I don't want to go in the jail.
Made it to North Plains. Roughly 18 miles from home.
Oh, Lord, the man at judo. Oh, the man won't let me go. Oh, run fast as you can. Oh, the police is holding me hand. When the judge asks me how I plead, not guilty is almost decided.
Hey Rudy.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about your bike.
So this is a Breezer Radar Expert, halfway tubeless, halfway not. Got a tube in the back. Steel, fucking this kills on the descents. And that's about it, man.
Sick.
That I'm the victim of circumstance. Oh, the man at judo. Oh, the man.
Hey Zach, tell me about your bike.
This is a used Kona Jig the Snake.
What kind of material is it?
It's aluminum.
What size tires you running?
40.
What kind of pressure?
Softish.
What kind of snacks you got today?
Just some Cliff Bars.
Only Cliff Bar ride.
Yeah, it's all right. It's a short one.
So wise, so wise.
Oh, run as fast as you can. Oh, the police is holding me hand. That's the thing, man. And that's again now. Little Calypso. I'll be home at the break of day if the judge believe what I say, if he don't, I'll be looking cute. Behind the bars in my striped suit. Rancho. Oh, the man at you know. Rancho. Oh, the man won't let me go. Rancho. Oh, run as fast as you can. Rancho. Oh, the police is holding me hand. My mammy tell me long ago to keep away from that worthless Joe. But listen to what my mammy say. I wouldn't have been in such a mess today. Rancho. Oh, the man at you know. Rancho. Oh, the man won't let me go. Rancho. Oh, run as fast as you can. Rancho. Oh, the policeman holding me hand.
Are good. You got it. You know this. Yours is better. Goodbye. Chapter 2 closed. Perfect little group ride. Also through the trees, up and down some hills, through the slop. Now we gotta ride home. All right, well, here we go.
Oh, Mo and Joe had a country store. Telling fortune behind the door. The cop grabbed Mora's Joe and out. Brother Mo then began to shout. Rancho. Oh, the man at you know. Rancho. Run fast as you can. Rancho. Oh, run my.
It's always awesome to be able to go on a big ass bike ride from your house. There's nothing quite like it. And to have the terrain that we have from where we live is super cool. I kind of messed up with the no fender thing, but you know. And the orange mud bag, I don't know, I kind of like it. I figured out halfway through the ride that this stows into this little pocket. That's nice. I drank 64 ounces of water on this ride. That's a lot of water. Generally, when you're riding, you're in a sloped position. The weight on this bag is actually distributed along your back, opposed to when you stand, the weight is on your shoulders, which I was kind of, you know, expecting. I didn't eat my second burrito, but it's in here. And the ride, by the numbers, 4 hours, 50 minutes, 70 miles, and 5,800 feet of elevation. Not bad for December, but the rain is coming.
The cop grabbed Mora's Joe and out. Brother Mo then began to shout. Rancho. Oh, the man at you know. Rancho. Run fast as you can. Rancho. Oh, run my dear little man. Rancho. Oh, the police is holding me hand.